Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to use the SEO, that is Yoast SEO in WordPress. So first the thing is like you need to go to the WordPress website, and you need to log in and go to the dashboard, click on the plugin and click on add new and type here Yoast SEO. So here it will come down. It will be written like Yoast SEO. See, it has 1+ million in active installs. The things like it's been used by many of the peoples, like millions of peoples. So here you will get an install now button. Just click on there. Later it will get an activate code. Just activate it. There's no code. Sorry, you need to just click on the activate. Then it will get activated. So after activating, what you need to do is like it will show up here. Yoast SEO. Click on there. So here goes the dashboard. See, I have good job. We couldn't detect no serious SEO problems. Okay, no, there's no issues. So first the things like it's the dashboard. Go to the general. So first the things like you need to configure. So open the configuration widget. So it will open up a widget, and here you need to click configure Yoast SEO. Then this environment. You need to keep environment. It's like if you have done the full site, then you need to go for this. If it is in under construction, you need to click on this. So go to the next. The site type, what type you have. I have a blog one. Company name, it's Persian, and the name. If you have a company, you can go there. Social profiles, you need to add up all the social profiles URL here, and just anything you want. Please make sure this everything should be invisible. Nothing should be hidden. So click on next. Here the multiple authors. If your website is opened by many peoples, like you have a team, so you can click on yes. I will go for no. Google Search Console, this is the best and the most important thing. So the thing is like you will get a authenticate code here. First you need to select your profile, then I will show you how to authenticate. I will re-authenticate. You will get Google authorization code. Click on there. Then you need to sign up with your Google account. Let's allow. You will get a code. Just copy it down, paste it here, authenticate. You will verify and authenticate. Okay, click on the next. Then this is the website name. What is the title separator? I want to keep this. This is the best title separator ever. Go to the newsletter, just skip it down. This is not important. Skip. Success, done. So close it up. So the general has been done. Now go to the features. See, readability analysis. This is the important part. This should be enabled. This things like it analyzes your articles and it gives you the readability, percentage errors and whatever. Keyword does the same thing. Advanced settings, just enable it up, right? See, everything you should be kept enabled in this section. The more things is like cornerstone. I will show you what is cornerstone. The thing is like cornerstone is it's like if you have any priority article that should be visible in your website. So this will go on cornerstone content, your info, your website name, if you're a person, your name, just save changes. Webmaster tool. So this is the important thing. This is Webmaster tool Google Search Console. So I'll show you how to get the code. Let's open it in a new tab. See, after clicking up there, you will open in this tag and you should be logged in. Then you need to go to the HTML tag. So you'll get a meta tag. This meta tag, you need to copy down this number, this 4DF, whatever it is there till here. You need to copy it down and just paste it down and save changes. Go to the security and this should be enabled. This is the basic one. So here goes for the title and matters. I won't take any much more time. See, this is the title separator. If you want to separate this is the best. Anyone you can use. Like it depends on you. Homepage. See, the homepage should be in this format. This is site name, page, separator, site address, and whatever it is. Post types. See, This is the important part. If you have a article writing blog and something, keep it this title. Nothing else should be there here. Nothing. And this should be an excerpt and nothing else. That's it. This should be indexed. Everything should be indexed. Okay, this is for post. Same thing should be done for pages also, media also, but you can keep this as this one, whatever it is. Don't change. Like I use this mainly this two pages and this posts. Rest all you can keep it the same thing, and everything will be indexed and save changes. So the things like if you want to go to this expert code you excerpt, sorry, you need to click on here and go to the template section. Here you'll get a excerpt code and just copy it down. See, it's written. If you don't write anything, just keep it blank, it will be auto generated if it doesn't exist. So SEO helps. This Yoast SEO is the best one, as like if you don't do anything it will automatically do it for you, but you need to do something from your side. So keep it this taxon one is don't change anything, keep it indexed. So tax whatever it is there, keep it there. Meta robot you can index it, but I keep it in non-index. This is the archives. So archives, that's disabled. I have disabled it because it depends on you, like nobody's goes for author archives and everything. So date is enabled, meta tags no index, special changes. See, the things like special search. If you are searching a page, like anybody is searching a page, where it should land up and what it should show. And if you have a 40 page, like if it's not loading, so it should shows what you want to show. Page not found, page not found, or page is not there. Whatever you want, write it down and just save changes. Click on others. This should be indexed, and meta tags, use meta keywords tag can be enabled if it depends on you. So let's go to the important one, social. No, this is not the important one, sorry. Like you want to add up your social account profiles, just add it up here. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google Plus, whatever, just save changes. Then this is the most important part, XML sitemaps. This is the most important part, and the thing is like here you can find your XML sitemap. Click on here. See, load up here. So right now what you need to do is like go to Google and search there Google Webmaster. Click on this, or sorry, you can go to search console directly over there. Click on here. You should be logged in. Later your site will load up. Just link it up, as after linking it will show up here, or else you can add a property. I will show you how it does. Just click on add a property, just write down your website name and authenticate, it will add up here. So I'll show you after adding here. See, here it comes sitemaps. Click on here. Then what you need to do is go to the XML sitemaps what you clicked on here. After clicking on here you will go to this page. So here it comes, I have 5 things, 5 3 4 yeah, you can have only 2 or 3 whatever on the basis of your website. So what you need to do is like after your website there is a slash, then post sitemap page sitemap.xml attachment.site.xml. You just copied it down. It's like, see, I'm just copying it down. Just copy the last one and your search console will be there. After clicking on the sitemaps, here you need to go add a test sitemap. See, the revealingdefax.com already will come. Just paste it down and just submit this button. Okay, so what you need to do is like for all this thing, you know, to copy it down and paste it there and just add it up one by one, everything, so that Google will crawl into your website and find out all the details so that it will be indexed properly. This is the most important part. So in the post types, everything should be inside map, and excluded post, if you want to exclude any post, you can do it by the post ID. Taxonom is is like everything should be in sitemap. There's nothing else. I will make sure don't do anything in this advanced option. This breadcrumbs, don't enable it. If you are doing it, if you don't have the knowledge of SEO and breadcrumbs, then you are going to break your page. Then I'm not going to be responsible for all that. Permalinks and RSS, like you don't have the knowledge, you just don't go for all the steps. Skip the advanced one. Go to the tools. See, tools is here is bulk editor is nothing but like it's just a bulk editor. Like if you want to change everything in the post, every of the pages, you can do it from here, not by going to the page changing one by one. You can do it from here. File editor also you can do it, import export whatever you can do. This is all the tools. Search console is the last one because premium is like you need to buy it up. See here, settings is there. Go to the settings and you need to authenticate. It's the same way how you authenticate your Google. So that's all. It's like if any crawler error is there, it will show up here. But because I don't have any crawler like error, so nothing is showing up here. So that's all. The premium gives you one more thing, like it will give you more keywords you can use. So I'll show you how, like this is the setting. So I will show you how it works. Let's go to one post and just close it down. I will show. See, this is the SEO score. I have OK. It should be in orange color or else green color is the best. Don't keep it in red color. It has three colors: red, green, orange, and green. Orange is okay. Green is better. So let's click on this article and let's check it out. See, SEO says okay. So I'll show you what it helps actually. See, here is the readability. This says 36.4% of a sentence contain transition word. That is great. This you should maintain everything. See here it says three errors are there that you need to fix it out. Like passive voice sentences, I have 18.2% contains passive voice, which is more than 10%. So I need to actually fix all this, and but I don't have any time, so I'm not doing it. So it depends on you, because the things like you should get a readability score, at least a good one, at least a orange one. Keyword is the most important part here. The things like this focus keyword, you should apply any of your focused keyword here. What, like if you type this thing in the Google will find out this one, like it will show up to the people, like to the visitors, this one. So this is the focus keywords, and make sure that for every article it should be different. It shouldn't be copied one, like you can't use it continuously. So one more thing is like snippet. See, this is the best one, as I had told you, like title is the best one. And the slug. See, I have written Samsung rejected you for Supreme Court applies 120. See, after the revealing the facts.com slash this one, Samsung rejected US Supreme Court applies 120 million. If you want to change this line, then you can change it up here. Meta description is this one. Please provide a meta description, like I'm showing you, like I'm writing anything, and it will show up here. If you want to write anything like about your article, I'll show you, like I'm gonna copy this thing, and I'm gonna use this as a meta description, or else you can you can use this code excerpt, but see it says orange color. uh, you can use it up, but that depends on you, but I don't want to use this. Okay, so this is the most important thing, like you need to focus keywords. You should everywhere it should be different and everyone should be present, and this SEO should be okay or else good. Don't keep in needs improvement and everything. And one more thing is like on top here you have keyword research, Google Trends. Click on there, it will load up. Google Trends, this is one of the best things, like what you want to do and how you want to show. Like, see this code I used now, this code I used, this focus keyword. For this keyword, you need to find out a good keyword so that Google shows your website on top list. So for that, you need to go for the Google Trends, or else you can check out what is the analysis of the throughout the world. Like I'm typing here SEO and I'm searching it down. Google show the SEO interest over time, like full analysis of the word SEO, how many peoples have been used from January 2004. It is showing the SEO interest over time. These were the clicks, these were the search throughout the worldwide. You can change the location from here also, and all categories. And this is the places where which region from where, like how many peoples, like not peoples, it's on the basis of thousand and million, so it shows in a percentage wise how many they searches and all that. So you can use this for your Google YouTube channel and everything also, like how it does, how it works. So that's all for today and nothing else. That's all. So make sure the main thing is like focus keyword. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel and like. And if you do have any problem, just comment it down below. I will reply to you soon. Thank you.